We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign of what's going to happen to these other workers moving forward.
Welcome to the Cryptoteacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, remember those books are mandatory. Plus, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also, those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. Wonderful, guys. Much love to you. Now, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And guys, this is for adults only. That's right. We are bleeding out. And I told you we were coming down. And I want to thank those who hit me up on my Patreon and sent me emails saying thank you. I thank you for listening. I thank you for following. Because the fact is, the Fed's job is to do what? Take your money. But guys, this is the time where traders come in. This is what we love. This is the time, guys, we've been waiting on. This is the time where you make your money and fill your bags, guys. This is trading time because we're going to be going up. We're going to be going down. We're going to have swing. Volatility is what we want. The media is going to scare you from volatility. No, this is what you want. That's the reason why all the big guns are doing what? Coming into crypto, because this is what they want. This is the time where you make your money at, guys. Those who've been with my channel, I want to thank you a lot. Much love. We know what we went through last year. They're ready this year. They're ready for these dumps. Don't let it scare you. We know when we roll into the weekend, we do what? We normally come up. But the fact is, as long as you're paying attention to the actual stable coins and the volume, guys, you're going to make money. Don't let dips scare you. This is the time to buy. The time you don't buy is when the market is headed sky high. Because the fact is, guys, you don't know the top. Plain and simple. We know that there is going to be a bottom, and we know there is going to be a top. Nobody's going to get the exact bottom. Nobody's going to get the exact top. If you do that, you're doing what? You're gambling. That's the difference between investing and in gambling. If I'm an investor, I'm coming in to do what? Double or triple my money. If I'm a gambler, I'm coming in to get rich. So that's the reason why I lose it all. That's the game, guys. I just want to make sure we understand that. But do not let these dips scare you. Go back to 2018. Go back to 2019. We just didn't go straight down, guys. Once we hit a top, we trickled on our way down. But we had those ups. We had those peaks and those downs. Find the cheapest crypto that took the biggest hit that you know has utility. Know that it's going to go up and you're going to make money. It's easy, just like that. Guys, I went over several videos when I first started with VeChain. I know a lot of people made a lot of money off of that because the fact is that you have cryptos that are going to swing. And now because we have so much liquidity in the market, just about all these cryptos are swinging. So it's easy to go in, find you the cheapest crypto, invest, go up, sell, stop holding because it's going to drop right back down. We clearly see that we're going to be trickling down, guys. But the fact is that the market, we may be at 31, but then we may be at 35, 36 on the weekend. So, guys, that's how the market is. Like I said, nobody can predict the top. Nobody can predict the bottom. We find our money in between. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. And research is very, very important. Get in, study one or two cryptos that you see that has volatility. Get in, do your research, and invest. And make your easy money, guys. It's definitely easy. Same thing with the stock market, guys. We saw last year the stock market has kept moving right on up. The Fed gave us the actual stocks that they were going to buy. So, guys, we saw those stocks go up. Yes, did they have bad days? Yes, but they kept trickling on up, and those who rode it made money. Now that we have this new administration in, taxes, capital gain tax that you haven't even, well, money you haven't even received yet, guys, we know we're going to take a hit. The stock market, yes, is looking good right now, but we know it's going to take a hit. Cryptos is all speculation. We know we're going to take a hit, but what? Cryptos are the future. We're not going to zero. Crypto is the foundation for the fourth industrial revolution. Don't forget that. And then also, guys, don't forget the Fed is still cutting checks every Tuesday. We still have facilities open until March 31st. Do not forget that. And they'll still be buying treasuries and mortgage-backed securities, all that good stuff. But, guys, make sure you're focused on volume, USDC, and Tether, your stable coins. Please make sure you stay focused on those. Now we're going to get into the actual news, guys. We have Guggeheim CIO expects Bitcoin to drop to 20,000. Just like I stated, guys, I've been over that several times, way when it was going up to 40. I advise you, we're going to be coming right back down. Not straight down, but we're definitely going to be coming down. Now, this is a very, very good article, guys, because basically I've been going over this tons of times, and finally somebody does an article on it. 83% of the cryptocurrencies that peaked in 2018 are still down by 90%. I'm going to repeat that. 83% of the cryptocurrencies that peaked in 2018 are still down by 90%. So, guys, we know only a few of these cryptos are going to make it. But I just want to make sure we understand. Even Litecoin is still nowhere near where it was at. So, guys, we have to make sure that we understand the New World Order has a plan, has an agenda. But like I said in several videos, guys, it's only a few cryptos that hit that 2017 and 2018 high. I've been over that, and finally there was an article. But that's a great article, though. But also, guys, we have DeFi payments protocol. Celo readies launch of the EuroPeg stablecoin. And remember, guys, Celo is attached to what? MIT and the central banks. Been over it several times. We have Nebraska Senator enters bill to allow state banks to custody crypto. Guys, just like I stated, we know it's definitely coming. We had Brian Brooks, the comp controller, make several rules. Now we have Yellen that comes in and says, what? Crypto is for illicit activities, money laundering. We know the game, guys. Now we have Michael Barr, former Ripple advisor, set to become the comp controller of currency, OCC. Now, guys, the fact is that basically make sure that we understand anything that we're thinking is going to happen, the opposite normally happens. I just want to make sure you understand that. The very thing that you think is going to happen, and you think the New World Order is going to do, they do the opposite. So let's make sure we wait till that plays out. Now we have Kyber Network plans to become a hub for DeFi with massive upgrades. So guys, make sure you're looking out for that. We have Blockfi launches an OTC trade desk for institutional crypto investors. So remember, guys, over the counter, we don't see it. They get to move massive amounts of cryptos between each other, institution to institution, and it doesn't affect the market. So we're going to see a lot of that going on behind the curtain while they're building this fourth industrial revolution. Now we have Sweden is working with DLT for a CBDC proof of concept. And we know central bank digital currencies are definitely coming. They're already completed and done, guys. They're not working on anything. It's already completed and done. Of course, it's a process. And remember I told you what to look out for? Those digital SDRs, because that's going to give the IMF total control over all currency. Now we have the Biden administration puts FinCEN proposed crypto wallet regulation on hold. So guys, we have to make sure we're looking at that. I think it's about 6 months. So that's actually a long period of time. But like I stated, 2020 is going to be quiet. 2022 is when we're going to hear the noise. That's when everything is going to be finished. We know that that's when the fourth industrial revolution is going to start getting legs. Right now, this is just the foundation. Biden is doing the infrastructure package, putting all that money together, and it's going to take about 3 to 5 years to build it, guys. We know it takes time. Everybody wants to get rich overnight, guys. Everybody. Nobody wants that patience. Remember what Warren Buffett said? The key to becoming wealthy is patience. And that is the truth. Warren Buffett doesn't always tell the truth, but that is definitely the truth. If you can hold on, you're going to be fine. Now, we have Kraken adds 26 new trading pairs to growing UK and Australia markets. And then also, guys, we have Silver Bank has reported taking in a whopping $2.9 billion in new deposits from digital currency clients in Q4 of 2020. So, guys, we see the money. They can't hide it. We see the money. Now, our market cap doesn't make any sense. No, it does not. But we definitely see big money coming into crypto. And I did a video on BlackRock. BlackRock is looking at derivatives, Bitcoin futures. We know once that behemoth, that beast comes in, the game is over. And lastly, guys, we have Barclays private bank chief market strategist says Bitcoin is almost uninvestable. And is that correct? Yes, it is. How many times have I been over that, guys? Do you want your 401k pension and something that goes up to 40 and then drops down to 3,000? No, you do not. Now, this time, do I think we're going to drop back down to those 3,000 and 4,000 levels? No, I don't. The fact is, guys, right now, we moved up to about 40,000. The lowest I see Bitcoin going is 15,000. That's the lowest. So those days of those 3,000 and 4,000 Bitcoins, those days are over. We see too much money, grayscale. All these companies in it is too much money holding. Unless they make some type of move, that's the only way I see Bitcoin getting back down to those levels. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, the links are in the description. Book links are in the description also. The stock channel, guys, do not forget about the stock channel, Cryptoteacher stock channel. Please go like and subscribe. Don't forget your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Everybody's sitting at home. That home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.